Now, a lot of bathrooms are left with mismatching accessories. And not because they've been neglected, but normally because the owners are too scared to drill into the tiles, worried that they might break the tile and they don't have a replacement. I'm going to show you how easy it is to drill into the tiles without breaking them, allowing you to upgrade your bathroom with matching accessories. Now, when drilling into tiles, the number one mistake is using hammer mode. Keep it as a rule, never use hammer mode when drilling into your tiles. The next thing we need to look at is your choice of drill bit. First is a normal masonry bit. Now, it's not really recommended to use a normal masonry bit because they do burn out quite quickly on the ceramic tiles. Instead, use a glass and tile bit. This will allow you to cut through the tile and then switch to a normal masonry bit to drill into the wall. Now, another option is a ceramic tile bit. This bit has a special head allowing you to drill through the tile and then into the wall. But my favorite is the multi-bit. This bit allows you to drill through the tile without cracking it and then switch to hammer mode quickly and easily going into the wall behind. Now, the first thing we need to do is carefully remove these old fittings and fill the holes. So all those old mismatched fittings are gone. Now I'm going to install some of the fittings from the Lusso range. It's really going to upgrade the way this bathroom looks, and they're all going to be matching. So I've got a shelf, a towel ring, and a toilet roll holder. So the tools we'll need are your choice of drill bit, a drill, tape, a pencil, a screwdriver, a small hammer, and your spirit level. First thing we need to do is use the supplied hex key to remove the bracket and mark it on the wall. So I think I'm going to go about there, and that's also going to hide the old holes. So now we'll decide where we want our fitting, then put some masking tape on the wall and mark it off. Positions marked, now we can drill. Now remember, I'm using the multi-bit, so normal drill mode. And once I'm through the tile, I can change it to hammer and get through the wall. Okay, now we can insert the plugs and install the bracket onto the wall with the screws. Last thing we need to do is just slide our fitting over and tighten up the little grub screw. Very nice. Onto the shelf with the exact same steps. Okay, so pop out the brackets, and then we can mark up on the wall where we want our shelf. Use your spirit level to make sure that you have a straight baseline. And then again use the brackets to mark up for the holes. So for these holes I'm using the ceramic tile bit. Now remember, do not go into hammer mode. Pop our plugs in, secure the brackets with the screws. Now we can pop the shelf on and tighten up the grub screws. So now for the toilet roll holder, I'm going to use the glass and tile bit to get through the tiles, and then switch to the normal masonry bit to get through the wall. Then we'll pop the wall plugs in and fasten the bracket with the screws. There we go, installed and looking awesome. So don't be intimidated to drill into those tiles. Some new accessories can really uplift your bathroom. And remember, everything I used is available at Builders, in-store or online at builders.co.za. And for more how-tos like this, check out the blog on the website. Get to Builders, get it done.